Three things engineers are actually debating on X today: a reported but unconfirmed GPT-5.6 variant, a frank admission that agentic AI is moving slower than expected, and a Claude Code prompt that simulates an entire social media team. Let's go through each one clearly, starting with the GPT-5.6 discussion. According to a post by Anthropic on July 2nd, there is significant anticipation building around upcoming GPT-5.6 releases. The post references a variant being discussed under the name Sol Ultra. To be precise about what we know, Sol Ultra is a reported, unconfirmed name. OpenAI has not made an official announcement. What we can say is that the post generated substantial engagement, which tells you the builder community is watching this closely and expects a capability step up from whatever ships next. If you are planning API integrations or benchmarking workflows, the practical move right now is to hold your architecture decisions until there is an official release with documented specs. Codenames and pre-release speculation have a way of diverging from what actually ships. Track the official channels, not the rumor cycle. Moving to the second story, and this one is worth slowing down on because it cuts against the dominant narrative of the past year. On July 3rd, Alexandra Wang posted about agentic AI progress being slower than expected. This is coming from someone at the intersection of frontier model development and enterprise deployment, so it carries weight. The discussion also references a reported upcoming offering called Muse Spark, described as targeting agent and coding improvements. Again, Muse Spark is a reported name, not a confirmed product, but the underlying point about Agentic Slowdown is the more important signal here. Agentic systems are hard. They require models to reliably chain reasoning steps, recover from errors, use tools correctly across variable contexts, and do all of that at a consistency level that production environments demand. The gap between a compelling demo and a system you can actually run in production is real, and it appears that even well-resourced organizations are acknowledging it openly. For engineers building agentic pipelines right now, this is a useful calibration. Build in more fallback logic than you think you need. Do not assume the next model release closes the reliability gap automatically. And if you are pitching agentic timelines internally, the honest framing is that the field is still working through foundational reliability problems, not just scaling problems. The third story is more immediately practical. According to Shun-I-28, posting on July 2nd, a Claude Code prompt has been demonstrated that simulates a full SNS operation team. The framing is a one-person company simulation, where a single prompt assigns roles, coordinates tasks, and handles the review loop that would normally require multiple people or multiple tools. This is an example of what you might call prompt-level orchestration. Instead of building a multi-agent system with separate tool integrations and inter-agent communication protocols, you structure the prompt itself to carry the coordination logic. The roles, the handoffs, the quality checks, all encoded in the prompt. For solo builders or small engineering teams, this approach has a real advantage. It compresses operational overhead without requiring you to stand up complex infrastructure. The trade-off is that you are working within a single context window, which limits how much state the system can track across long workflows. But for bounded, repeatable tasks like social media operations, the approach demonstrated by Shun-I-28 is worth examining as a lightweight alternative to heavier agentic architectures. To bring this together, the GPT-5.6 Sol Ultra discussion is a real anticipation around an unconfirmed variant. Watch for official announcements before making architectural decisions. The Agentic Slowdown signal from Alexandra Wang is a grounded reminder to set realistic production timelines and build robust fallback logic into your pipelines. And the Claude Code SNS team demonstration from Shun-I-28 shows that prompt-level orchestration can deliver meaningful workflow compression for small teams today without waiting for agentic infrastructure to mature. That is the grounded picture from X on July 3rd, 2026. If this kind of clear source-attributed analysis is useful to you, subscribe so you get it daily. Etherlink is sovereign AI infrastructure built in the EU. Links are in the description.